Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. This watch was kindly lent in by my friend Jack. He reached out to me and asked if I wanted to check out this watch, and I said, yes, of course, I would really like to check out this watch. This is the Steinhart Adventure watch. Quite popular. I don't know if they're in stock right now or not. I know they were out of stock for a little while. I was looking at buying one. They were out of stock, and then I actually kind of forgot about it. So let's take a look at this. And actually, Jack is selling this watch. You can send me an email, and I'll contact him, or you can, better yet, go check out his YouTube channel. I'll leave a link in the description below. Jack's EDC in Gear, I think it's called. I'll leave a link in the description to it, of course, as always. And you can go follow him there and reach out to him. Alright, anyway, there we go. You can't quite talk and cut a box at the same time. I had a Steinhart in a while ago. That one was loaned in by Bobby Legs. I don't think I've ever actually owned a Steinhart watch myself. Something's moving around in there. So it must be the hang tag in there. So there we go. Ocean, let's see, what does that say? Ocean 38. Ocean 39 Adventure Classic. Looks like some kind of German word there. Anyway, let's set this off to the side. Take a closer look at this watch. Yeah, this watch is very cool looking for obvious reasons. It reminds me a lot of my Tissell Explorer, or what's it called, the 9015 ES or EX or something like that. I forgot what it's called, but it looks very similar to that. It looks very similar to a Rolex Explorer. So yeah, cool watch. Looking forward to spending a little bit of time with this watch here. This looks to be a friction clasp right there. It is milled. You have a safety clasp, so it's not going to pop off your wrist. Solid links, solid end links, screw links. Let's get it wound up. So it is a screw down crown. Would imagine it has a Solita in it. Take a quick look at the case back and see if it mentions what movement is in here. Okay, so it does have a go state position. Pull the crown all the way out. The second hand has stopped, so it's hacking. That's obviously hand winding. I just hand wound it. Trying out a different video recording device, not advice here. So this one does have some zoom on it, some optical zoom. So looking forward to using this one. And down there at the bottom it says Swiss made. Okay, let's take a look at the back, and then we'll get it on wrist and close out the video. Be nice if it had some dual pushers on it instead of this friction clasp. So sapphire crystal stainless steel, 10 ATM, so 100 meter water resistance, Swiss made automatic movement, and then Ocean 39 Adventure. What does that say? Swiss made by Steinhart. Alright, let's get it on wrist, and then we'll close out the video. We should take a quick look at it here next to my SKX. Real nice looking watch, and you do have these negative end links too, so it should work okay on my smaller wrist, my 6.5 inch wrist. There we go. don't know if I care for the mix of the looks like an applied logo and then the white text. It kind of goes because the indices are also silver. So yeah, I think it looks all right. So let me know what you think of this watch. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it, and ring the bell, the notification bell as well. That way you can be notified of all my videos. The clasp is a little tricky. And we do have drilled lugs, polished on the sides and brushed on the top. So looks to be a very nice watch here. Alright, that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.